before we go on to the detail of how each of these different hepatic lesions look like morphologically, I would first like to stress upon a very important point as to acquiring. The acquisition of a liver scan is of utmost importance if we want to reach a particular diagnosis. So, this is my first slide where I want to stress on the point that multiphasic imaging is of utmost importance when we are doing liver imaging. We cannot have a plain scan followed by a scan which is in between an arterial and a portovenous phase, followed by something which has a delayed phase. That would confuse us and would basically we'll misdiagnose. We would not come to a conclusive diagnosis. There are several scans that come to us at Global Hospital from outside for review, and several times it happens so that we need to repeat the scan if we want to give them an answer. So it's my utmost request to all of you that please stick to the guidelines, go in for multiphasic imaging. Okay, so what is important is how to differentiate one phase from the other. So you have the early arterial phase wherein you will see contrast only in the arteries, followed by the late arterial phase wherein there would be early enhancement of the portal vessels, yet the arterial enhancement would be much more than the portovenous enhancement. Then you have the portovenous phase where there will be equal enhancement of all the portal radicals, the extra as well as the intrahepatic portal radicals. Arterial enhancement would phase out. And lastly, you have the equilibrium or the delayed phase, which will give us equal enhancement of the parenchyma of the portovenous structures as well as of the hepatic venous structures. Now, why it is important?